Hello guys. So here we are again with another video on MS Excel. So now today we'll be learning about the conditional formatting on an Excel form. So let's start. So here you can see I have a random data of a years and sales of a random company. So now let's get started. So as you can see we move towards the home tab. In this home tab you can see that there's clipboard, font column, alignment column, number column, style column, cells, editing, and so as we move to the styles, in this we have a feature like it's called conditional formatting. This is a very good feature that you guys can access for formatting your data, highlighting your data, presenting it in a very good way to clarify your data. So now I'll show you how it's done. So first we have to select the data. As you can see, I selected the data. Now I move towards the conditional formatting. As I click on this, we have several options here of highlight cell rules, top bottom rules, data bars, color scales, icon sets, new rules, clear rules, and manage rules. So in the highlight cells rules, there we have greater than. Let's try this. So as you can see, it shows us that format cells that are greater than. So as you can see, we have amount there. So as I put like 100,000 in it. So now let's fill it with the red, light red fill. You guys can choose whatever you want on your preferences. I'll choose this for some preference. So as you can see, the amount which were higher than, which were greater than $100,000 are marked here on the sales. You can see the data. So these, like, this will help you like clarify your data and highlight the things you want to do, and it will make your presentation more look or easier and more good from this. So now let's go back and try another functions we have in the conditional formatting. We have selected this. Now let's go to conditional formatting again. Now as you can see we have less than, so you can do the same thing as you did in the greater than form. Now let's move toward the between. So in this between option, that formal cells that are between. So if we want to highlight the cells which are between, like as you can, I'll take 2015 and 2019. I'll take. Okay, so I'll again fill with the red, like, but you can fill anything you want and on your preferences. So I'll do this again. So as you can see, like I put the data between 2015 to 2019. So now it's all highlighted and it's clarifying your data. So this is also a very great function we have. Now I'll again select this. I'll back. Okay, this is like selected. Now again we'll go to conditional formatting, and now we'll see the between equal. Like these are all the options you can do in the highlight cell rules. Then now we'll go to the data bars. So in this data bars, it represent your data in a different form, like it fills your bars as per your values. So now I'll show you, like as I fill this, so according to the values the bars are filled. As you can see, the amount, if the amount is bigger than the it is more filled it, and this it's fully filled, but it's very so the lesser the amount is less filled. It's your clarify your data more goodly, like it's looking very good and clarifies your data more. Now we'll go to the another function. I'll undo this. Yeah. And now we'll go to the again conditional formatting. Now we'll go to data bars. I as you have I shown you, it will. Now we'll go to color scales. Now if you go to color scales, so it, like, see, you can differentiate your data. As you can I see, it differentiates your data. Like all the years are in red, and all the other amounts which are, see, which are more higher, it's more green. Which are the amount are less, it's less whiter. So it also this will clarify your data, which is smaller, which is bigger. So it will look also nice also and clarify your data. Now I'll again undo this and select the function. Now I'll go to conditional formatting, icon sets. If you have like on this data, the icon sets won't work very brutally, but if I'll show you as an example. So these are like, you can, as you can see, the years are going down and down. It's showing the arrow down, and the values are going up, and so this will help you on the other data you have, which will, this is also a very good option. Now I'll undo this and again go to condition formatting. So in this new rules, you can make new rules whichever you want to do according to yourself. This is not a, like I can't no, I won't show you, but it's a very good feature if you want to do any another rule on your base and on your formatting. If you want to do that, you can do it from here. Then again we'll go to conditional formatting for clear rules. Like as you can see, the last time I had this, so if I want to clear all I don't want to undo, like it's take time. This is the, you will again select this data, go to conditional formatting and clear manage rules, sorry. On this manage rules, show formatting rules, you can also access to this. Now I'll again go to conditional formatting and see clear rules of the entire sheet and select cells upon yourself. So as I did, so all the data is cleared now. So these are the things we can do at the conditional formatting, and it helps a lot to clarify or signify your data. So thank you guys, like, share and subscribe.